have new details tonight about the crash over the weekend that killed 5 teens near the Arapahoe-Elbert County line. These stories almost give you chills. Denver 7's Mark Boyle looks into claims that this bridge is actually haunted.
And the legend of Ghost Bridge dates back to the late 1800s.
It is 2:58. We are almost at 3 a.m. It has been a long wait to get to 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't know how James and Omar does it, but it is super dark and it is super spooky, and we're hearing stuff, seeing stuff. I'm sure our minds are just playing tricks on us. I'm freaked out right now.
We found like some kind of ritual over here. Look, there's candles down there.
Did you hear that? What's going on, you guys? My name is Rich, and I am Storm, and today we are back at the 3rd bridge, and I'm here with my boy George TV, the fan, and this is a dream come true. The most amazing person on the planet, my hero, and his beautiful wife Melissa is here.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Oh my gosh, TV.
I'm excited.
So we're gonna go down and explore this bridge. Let's do this.
What do you think they're doing? I don't think they even know we're here. We can't see nothing. Yo, that's sketchy. But I don't know, maybe they're just exploring too, though. Yo, what if they're gonna come over here and rob us? Oh, it just turned its lights on. It got spooked. Oh, now it's going. Look. What? They were definitely doing something they weren't supposed to be doing. I hope they don't stop right there. Like start turning around or something. So we thought that was like a phantom car. Just kind of like in like Proctor Valley. Had those random cars showing up and turning their lights off. It's kind of the same deal. We haven't even been on this bridge yet. We're already hearing some noises. It almost sounds like Indians or something. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
Bro, it sounds like somebody's on the bridge. Yeah.
There is nobody there.
Can you hear? I hear like drums.
Totally.
Yeah, I heard like it sounded like a gunshot or something over there in the woods or some kind of pop. was hoping one of us can catch it. We heard like a woo or something like that. That's got it? Huh?
I didn't get it.
No,
I didn't get it.
I heard some giggling or something over there. It sounded like a little girl or a woman giggling. Somebody just said hello over there. Record. You guys recording?
Yeah. Down underneath the bridge.
Yeah,
See if we can see Omar bust his ass.
Alright, very important to slide down on your fish. Sorry if you see some butt crack back there. So we're gonna go underneath this very bridge.
What's that?
Barbed wire? Oh, I see it. Are there any snakes down here?
Probably.
Oh gosh. Yeah, there's a ton of barbed wire.
You guys have a little girl with you? You hear something? No, I just saw a little girl standing by the bridge when you guys were walking down.
What?
Yeah, she's wearing like a pink jacket.
There's some other people that came here to explore, and they just asked us if we had a little girl with us. What'd they say? That they seen a little girl?
Yeah, wearing a pink jacket.
Alright, keep your eye out for a little girl in a pink jacket. Oh, nice. So this kind of reminds me of Scoop Bridge in Georgia. I gotta take you there one day, Rich.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I haven't gone there at night yet. I actually filmed a movie there. Oh, what the hell is it?
What? What'd you hear?
I don't know, I just heard something in the bushes or something. It could have been an animal. Have you gone over there?
Oh yeah.
Is it wet?
It wasn't when we were here.
Oh, it's just these guys. Oh.
How's it going?
Hey, what's up? You guys seen a little girl?
We did.
Yeah, she was like standing up against the fence when you guys were
She was
walking
like
down.
yay high.
No way.
Yeah. I thought when you guys may have had your daughter out here or something.
No,
We were
no.
like, why do they have a kid?
You both saw her?
Yeah.
What?
She was wearing like a pink jacket.
It was on the left side of the bridge.
On that side?
Yeah, it was on
Yeah.
that side down there.
Maybe there is somebody out here. I just cut myself. Oh.
On what?
Okay, so I had this like, I don't know, some kind of big fly by my ear, and I went to like, my first reaction was to do that, and I cut myself on that concrete.
You alright?
So kind of burns a little bit. Oh, yeah, gloves too, actually.
Yeah, mine are in the truck. I forgot.
Always. Oh. My brand new Adidas.
Yeah, when we were here, it wasn't muddy. It was nice sand. It was like beach sand.
Beat sand, huh? And all the snow melted.
Oh yeah, there it is. I think the...
Oh, is that what I think it is? It's like one of those electric wheelchairs, or what are they called? Like a... what are those called again?
hover round or no?
Electric, it's not a scooter.
It's almost like a grocery store.
No, well, yeah. Oh, like it belonged to a grocery store.
Yeah.
What are those called, though?
I can't think.
Yeah. A cart, like electronic cart. I don't know. You guys know what that is. I call it an electric wheelchair.
It gets better over here. Eaten up by mosquitoes.
Why do bugs like to go in your ear?
I don't know.
Like, what's the fascination of a human ear to a bug?
Oh man, someone painted over it. Man. So guys, this used to say I love James. If you go back to my last two videos of being here, you'll see it has a little pentagram next to it. We had posted that on Twitter and James saw it and he was like, oh hell no. What?
Come look at this. This is so cool. What are those things? Are those birds?
Yep. Holy cow.
There's like little nests in there. I thought somebody was walking up on the bridge up there. Whoa. What are those things? They look like aliens.
They do.
I've never seen a bird that looked like that. They're all like in there together too, chilling. They're probably eating bugs. They're having a good old time. I think our lights are bringing them joy right now. Oh, there's so many of them. They're like
everywhere.
like bird cocoons.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comments if you guys know what kind of birds those are. That is gnarly. Man, bro, I cut myself good. Took a chunk of my skin. Look, a chunk of skin is missing. Okay.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
It's burned. I'm trying to find this little girl who was wearing a pink jacket. Are you here somewhere, little girl? Did you hear that?
I heard that.
What was that?
I don't know.
Hello? Dude, I legit heard like a whisper or something over here.
Yeah. Can't quite make out what it said though.
Yeah, so Rich was telling me that there was something about James here. But somebody spray painted over it, you said?
Yeah, it's right over here.
Where?
Oh, back over here where I am.
I went too far.
They spray painted over it. It used to say I Heart James with a pentagram next to it.
What you guys doing? We found like some kind of ritual over here. Look, there's candles down there.
Did you hear that? Did you guys hear that?
No, but I hear animals out there.
Dude, we keep hearing whispers.
Yeah, like a little girl.
Like I think I just inhaled a bug. How many bugs do they say that you eat?
Quite a few.
Oh, they erased it.
Yeah. She used to say, I heart James right there with a pentagram.
It has like a pentagram.
Yeah.
There's bugs. We need to get out of here. I'm getting attacked by bugs.
Because of all the lights.
Yeah, that's what it is. Hey, you want to see something really cool, guys? Look.
Can you hear that?
No. Dude, did you hear that? I heard a freaking giggle right now, I swear. I did too.
Yeah.
It was like, it wouldn't sound like that.
I heard like a heavy breeze.
I swear I heard a freaking giggle. Did those people leave?
Yeah.
Did those people leave?
Yes.
Yeah, they're gone.
I keep hearing voices.
You guys want to go back on the bridge?
Sure.
He wants to leave.
Did you show Melissa the birds?
Yeah, actually, we did. Check it out. So I hear like this noise under here. Over here, look. Look at this. Isn't that crazy?
I've never seen that before.
They're like little cocoons with birds in them.
That is so cool.
I see a little baby one over there.
That's really ugly.
Unless that's something else.
They're bats. No bats.
No, it's a little baby. There's little babies right there. In the middle. See little babies?
You scared me.
Dude, you caught that, right?
Hello?
What was that, George? Huh? Was it a scream?
It sounded like a whisper.
You didn't? Was it? Were you recording?
I don't know much space on the camera.
Which would.
So we're hearing drums. Can you guys hear it? Omar's going up there to investigate it. Man, it's super loud now. Can you guys hear it? Put on your headphones, turn the volume up. Man, it's just getting louder and louder. It stopped. Totally just stopped. Ooh, that would be my drum. So this is really awesome. Can you still hear the drums? I can still hear the drums. But I'm actually here with Omar, gosh, and his wife Melissa. Dream come true. Already heard a bunch of crazy stuff. This place is so spooky. I'm so glad we're able to bring Omar here. Where'd he go? What was that?
What is that sound? That's crazy.
Oh.
That's like bugging me out. Hey, you can hear it real clear if you walk over there a little bit.
I can hear it really clear.
It keeps getting louder and louder.
And then it stops. And then it starts up
It's
again.
like
And see, now it stopped again. Oh,
There it goes.
there it goes again.
what could that be?
Alright guys, that is it. It's a short little banger, but we had to stop because some teenagers showed up making all kinds of noises and we don't want to ruin their night either. So it's all good, but we did hear some stuff and it was fun just being here with Omar and Melissa.
We had a
And
blast. Thanks so much for bringing us here. So awesome, man.
thank you for inviting us out. We love you so
Well,
much.
you invited us. I mean, we invited each other, I guess.
If you haven't heard from this guy or heard of this guy, what's wrong with you anyway? But go check him out. And
Possible.
it's possible. And of course, you know George TV, the fam.
And Melissa.
And Melissa.
Called Melissa Mondays.
Melissa Mondays. Smash that like button if you want to see that Melissa Mondays. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next adventure. Peace.